is going to be sunny and dry. So why not go out and enjoy the sun? We're finally in the car. I think it took us an approximate half an hour of going in and out of the house when we finally decided that we're ready. It took a long time to get ready. We're on our way to Sunny Ridge Strawberry Farm at Mornington Peninsula. And today's weather, I think, is 22 degrees, no rain. So it's a good day to go out. But let me just check the BOM app for the weather.
The BOM.
22 degrees maximum, but it feels like 16.7. And there's no rain. Oh, 5% chance of rain. Too bad.
That's
Not
good.
too bad. That'll be probably later in the day. I'm pretty excited. Are you excited? We saw a cherry farm, so we made a U-turn and decided to go there instead. Oh, exciting. I've never been to a cherry farm.
Oh,
Wow, what is it? Oops. They're raspberries.
what?
These bushes. Raspberries. Can you see them?
Your favorite.
Cute.
Are we supposed to be here?
I don't know. Can you just keep going forward? Yeah, the cars are up ahead. They'll just... unless we're not entering the right way. We're just crashing people's cherry picking experience. Unplanned visit to a cherry farm.
We're about to.
Hey! This is a video for the kiddies. No, it's not. Yeah, we've got to find parking. How exciting! We were supposed to go strawberry picking. I mean, we will still go strawberry picking, but we're just going to stop by here. Let's go.
I'll wait so you can.
I can do it. No.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's even got homemade ice cream. Ripe and ready. Ripe and ready. Oh, that kid was so cute. The cherry mouth. He had cherry stains on his mouth. All over his face, actually.
Been here before.
I've never been here. You have?
I've never been here.
Careful of the poops.
I've done strawberry picking.
I've done neither of them. So it's $15 per person to have the cherry picking experience.
Walk along this fence. When there's a gap in the fence, turn left across the road onto that other side of the orchard, alright?
Okay.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Bye guys.
Okay, let's get the buckets. Bucket. That's the bucket. I'll get this one.
Get it, please.
Okay. Monica, look. Monica, it's your bucket. It's at the cherry farm. Yay. So you pay $15. You can eat as many cherries as you like while you're picking, and the collected cherries that you're going to take home, it's $12 a kilo. Yum. Okay, I want to try.
Good.
Okay. Sweet. Let's find a branch like that. Here's one up there on. So can you climb? Oh, they've got ladders.
You want some?
Fresh from the tree.
How was it? So sweet.
So sweet.
You want more?
Too tiny. I guess I'm too short.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, I can't reach it.
Good job.
Let's have a look at next bucket. I think we've been on this tree for around 10 minutes now.
Sweet.
I guess it's sweet, but not as sweet as the previous one that I had. Yeah, I really enjoyed cherry picking.
That's good.
And I think we picked the right trees as well. The first tree that we went to, a lot of the cherries were firm and sweet.
So you have to pick the right colour, the right
Yeah.
firmness. Make sure there's no splitting down the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a good spot. Let's set up here.
There.
Oh.
The bought cherries.
Can I compare? Get one. It's from Woolies. It's from the farm. This one has a deep cherry colour. Got 2 kilos at the farm for $24.